everyone, welcome to my channel and my name is Sarala. Today I am going to talk about fear of speaking English and what are the reasons why we do not speak in English and how to overcome from fear of speaking English. So today I am going to talk about these topics in this video. What you have to do is please watch the video till the end, okay? So without squandering your precious time, let's dive into the video. Let's talk about fear. What is fear? Fear is just an emotion, right? And it's a natural thing. First of all, what you have to do is just understand what kind of fear you have and understand the specific reason behind your fear. It may be making mistakes or being judged by others or so on. First of all, understand what kind of fear that has holding you back. Okay? Then you have to work upon it and how to overcome from that fear. Okay? Let's talk about fear of judgment. So, some people are thinking that if we make mistakes while we are speaking English, people will laugh at you. Or if we speak in English, people will judge you. Let me tell you one thing, guys. No matter how you are, no matter where you have to go, for sure, people will judge you. For suppose, if you or speak in English in front of your friends or anyone, what they can say, why are you show off in front of us? Or if you do not speak English, they can say that you don't know how to speak in English. It is true, guys. People will of course judge you however you are. Okay? No, so you don't need to change yourself for such people. Okay? So what you have to do is just think positive, ignore such words, move forward. Okay? So start talking to those who are supportive when you are speaking English. Okay? Focus on your progress rather than worrying about others' opinions. Okay? Let's talk about fear of self-confidence and worrying about making mistakes. Many people are thinking that do we speak right or wrong? Or when they are speaking in English, if we make mistakes, what we have to do? So they are doubting themselves. If you start speaking in English, you will know whether if you make mistakes or not, right? Without speaking in English, how can you say that I will make mistakes? And without speaking in English, how can you be afraid? I'll tell you one thing, guys, nobody is perfect in this world. Everybody make mistakes. What you have to do is try to speak with confidence. You don't have confidence in yourself. How can you speak in English? You should build your self-confidence, guys. Okay? And also, one more thing I want to tell you. Confidence is good, but not overconfidence. Okay? So let me talk about myself. When I'm shooting my first video, I'm very, very scared. And there are a lot of thoughts in my mind on that time. Because that is my first video, right? So I'm very much nervous. If you can watch my first video, you can observe my nervousness and my fear while I'm speaking English. And I gathered my courage and I did my first video. Gradually I'm reducing my fear. Okay, so building self-confidence takes time, guys. Okay, so no worry about it. What you have to do is start to speak in English. Start to set achievable goals for yourself and celebrate your success no matter how small it is. Okay? How to overcome from fear of speaking English. I already told you about this trick, that is mirror method, guys, and everybody knows it, right? So, but I'll tell you, mirror method is not at all easy. So you might think that what is tough in that to talk in front of the mirror, right? In my initial stage, I used to think like the same way. But later I understood when I am practicing myself in front of the mirror, I faced a lot of problems. And it is really tough for me to talk with myself. And words are not come to my mind. And I'm not going to be concentrate on my topic. So there are a lot of problems I faced. It is not at all easy. If you can try it, then you can understand how tough it is. if you work upon it, then you can see your massive changes in yourself. If you think that I am wrong, you have to take it as a challenge for yourself. What you have to do is just do it for yourself. Talk to yourself in front of the mirror. Then if you done your work, come here and do let me know in the form of comments. Sarla, I did this video, you are wrong. Tell to me. And because that is really tough. If you can see and if you can take it as a challenge, you can understand how tough it is. Okay. And also one more point I want to mention here, not only in front of the mirror, and also nowadays everybody has mobile phones, right? So you have to shoot yourself in the mobile phone. What you have to do is just take your mobile and shoot yourself. If you are doing like this, there are a lot of benefits. You can understand your mistakes, and also you know your gestures. Okay, so I used to do this lot of times. I just took my mobile and I shoot myself a lot of times, and I can't even tell you what are the topics I talked in my initial stage. And there are unnecessary topics I talked in my initial stage because I had that much hunger to learn this language. And yes, I do a lot of things for speaking in English, and I used my mobile and used mirror and everything I used a lot. Now also I'm using the same thing. And yes, because I know the value of English. Everybody knows it, right? Keep in your mind one thing, guys. If you want to become fluent in English, it will take time. Okay, we need a lot of patience in this language. So what you have to do is just go in front of the mirror and talk to yourself and take some topics and speak with yourself in front of the mirror, or in front of your camera, or it is better to talk with people. It's really better. Okay, so try to improve your self confidence and try to speak in English. Okay, so this is all about today's video, guys. And if you have any problems, do let me know in the form of comments so that I'll come up with the solutions for those problems. Okay, if you like the video, you know what you have to do. Hit the like button and share it with your friends, and please subscribe to my channel for more videos. So if you want to give any assistance and if you have any doubts, feel free to ask in the form of comments. Okay, so I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye bye.